Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position. It is white to play and win, and white's pawn is going forward in this direction and black's pawn is going downward in this direction. I said it's white to play and win, though it's correct, white is winning, but white must find the only winning move, and of course white has to keep this pawn alive and make it a queen in order to win this game. So guys, go ahead, pause the video and guess the move. Good luck. Okay, so the mission here is to promote this pawn to a queen safely and just checkmate black, but we have to promote this pawn correctly. We have to do that correctly. We don't afford to lose this pawn, and the knight is stuck at the corner, which is not a good news for us. So guys, with the knight we don't have any move, and with the pawn we don't have any move. I mean, we have a move. Technically we can move the knight and the pawn, but that would make things very difficult for us to win. So it will make a draw. Black would capture this and the knight would basically have no safe square. So it must be a king move. So where should we move the king? So basically we have to move the king to this two square, to one of these squares, but only one of them works. So the idea is to get closer to our pawn, but only one of them work. So if we play king to c7, that looks nice and logical, but that doesn't work. Black can play king to e7, and no matter what we do, black would just do the same thing, right? So that move doesn't work, and after this, still we can't move the knight, neither the pawn, so we would just end up in a drawn position. So that is the problem. So what is the move then? The move must be king to c8, and that is the first correct move. So the idea is, if black moves to e7, we play king to c7, and now if black moves back to the original position, we play king to d6, and now black can move like this, but we can sacrifice the knight now, and in this position black has to move the king or to capture the knight. If black captures the knight, we move, and soon black is going to lose this end game, right? Because black is not in a good position. Black has to move somewhere. We just attack the black king. So after some opposition, we are going to win the game like this. So easy win, right? So we are going to sacrifice the knight. If black didn't accept the sacrifice, of course it's going to be even easier for us. So here, that is what we are going to do if black decided to move this way. But after this is the first position, after we play king to c8, actually this is not the best move for black. The best move is to play king to f8, and there is only one move to save the position. Like every day, you can pause the video to guess the moves, but I am going to just explain the moves directly without stopping, without pausing. So in this position, the correct move is actually knight to g6. Well, the idea is similar. We are sacrificing the knight, and if black captures the knight, we are going to play king to d7, and again black is just losing, right? So because of this, black is forced to retreat, and it's going to be the same thing as before because we can't get black pawn, and at the end we can win black pawn because of our pawn. So our king is in an ideal position. So that is what would happen. But if black didn't capture that, actually this is the best move according to the engine. We are going to play knight to f4, again the only move for the knight, because now the knight would control the e6 and the g6 square, where the pawn will control the f6 and the h6 square. So all of this square has been taken, and now the king cannot play this way, and the king can't go out. So what does that do? Well, it prevents the king from moving, and we put the king in jail. The king can only move in this jail. Everything is taken, and the king would have only these squares. So eventually we are going to get to the pawn, to our pawn, or to the whole things, and eventually we are going to win the game like this. So in this position we can play a move like this, and this forces black to move the pawn, somewhere. It doesn't really matter. On the next move we simply push. You don't need to take this pawn because this pawn would help us to not stalemate black, right? So now black king can't move, but the pawn can. We simply push and promote, and we can win this. Right, with the queen. So this is the solution of the puzzle. So for recap, first we are going to play king to c8, and the king has plenty of ways to play this, but king to f8 is the best move. And now we play the only move, knight to g6. So if black captures the knight, which the engine doesn't recommend, we are going to play king to c7. So the idea is actually to get the opposition, right? So now we are getting the opposition, and black is retreating. The black king is retreating. The black king can do a lot of things like this. Some of you are wondering, but that would make the process even easier. So this is how we are going to win if black captures. But if black didn't capture and play a move like this, whatever move, it doesn't matter, by the way. So we play knight to f4. So like I said, the knight and the pawn are doing very good job here, preventing the black king from getting out of this jail. We simply use our king. We simply force the king to the corner. But one takeaway in this position, I didn't mention what we should do if black pushes the pawn in this position, like if black pushes like this. So we can take in passant, but that is not the best move. The best move is to push the pawn, give a check, and this way we would win the game. So if we take in passant, it would be just game over for us, because black would get to our pawn, but we can push the pawn, and now we can play a move like this. And if black try to defend the pawn like this, we are going to get in the other way and defend our pawn, and we actually are winning this game. So in this position, black can push this pawn, but we simply can defend our pawn like this, and black can get this far, but we have a way to defend the promotion, and soon we are going to win this game. So this is actually the solution of the puzzle. Thank you for watching up to this point. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.